Watch this right now. I will make a big goal. Did you hear that loud crash? What happened over there? The ball hit Mr. Brown's window. It is totally broken. Oh no. The window is completely broken into tiny pieces. I am so incredibly sorry, Mr. Brown. It was me.
You should be more careful. This window is very important.
We were just playing a soccer game in the yard.
You kids must not play near the front glass windows.
We promise we will absolutely not do it again, sir. We should tell Mom and Dad about this problem immediately. You are absolutely right. Mom and Dad need to know. Yep. Are they gonna be very mad at you today? I do not know, but telling the truth always matters. I hear footsteps approaching. Mom and Dad are coming outside.
What was that loud noise? Is everyone perfectly okay here?
What happened to the window? Why is it broken now?
Jack kicked the soccer ball and it hit right there.
Oh my goodness. That is Mr. Brown's front living room.
Jack, did you really kick the ball that incredibly hard?
Yes, Dad. I kicked it too hard by a mistake.
Making mistakes is okay, but you must take total responsibility.
We need to go and talk to Mr. Brown immediately.
I am somewhat scared, but I will go with you. Yes, we are a family team. We will help you.
That is the right attitude. Let us go right now.
Always remember to be very polite and say sorry first.
I understand, Mom. I will apologize for my big mistake.
Mr. Brown is waiting by his front door over there. Are you here to talk about my broken glass window?
Mr. Brown, I am really sorry about your broken window. I should have been much more careful while playing soccer.
We are very deeply sorry. We will pay for repairs.
We will definitely make sure this does not happen again.
I was very angry, but I appreciate your complete honesty. It is extremely good that you told the truth today.
Thank you for understanding, Mr. Brown. I feel much better.
Next time, please play your soccer in a safer place.
We will definitely find a much better place to play. Yes, a safe place far away from any glass windows.
Now, let us clean up this broken glass all together.
Please be careful. The glass pieces are very sharp indeed.
I will bring the broom and the dustpan very quickly.
I have some thick gloves to protect our hands safely.
I can hold the black trash bag open for you. I will slowly pick up the big pieces over here.
Great teamwork, everyone. The front yard is almost completely clean.
Thank you all for helping me clean this huge mess.
It is absolutely the least we can do for you.
We will call the window repairman early tomorrow morning, sir.
So, where will you little kids play soccer from now?
We should probably go play at the park near here. That is a truly great idea. The park is huge. There are absolutely no glass windows to break over there. Let us go to the park tomorrow afternoon to play.
Have fun at the park and stay safe, my kids.
Time to go back home now and wash your hands.
Yes, everyone did a really fantastic job cleaning up today.
I am actually very hungry after all that hard work. Me too. I really hope we are having pizza tonight. The next beautiful day arrived. Let us go play soccer. The local park is so beautiful and perfectly sunny today. I will quickly set up the goals near those trees. This place is definitely better for playing our soccer safely. Pass the soccer ball to me. I am open here.
Nice pass, Lucy. Now try to score a big goal. Wow, you kicked that ball really far away this time.
Look over there. Someone is slowly walking towards our game. Wait a minute. Is that Mr. Brown coming to see? Hi, Mr. Brown.
What are you doing out here today?
It looks like you found a much better place today.
Yes, Mr. Brown. The park is completely safe for soccer. We will absolutely never play near your front windows again.
That is very smart. I am glad you are safe.
Would you like to sit down and watch our game?
I would love to watch you play for a while.
Later that sunny afternoon, we all sat down together outside.
You know, kids, everyone makes silly mistakes when they play.
Did you ever break a glass window when you played?
Oh, yes. I broke my neighbor's window many years ago.
Really? What did your neighbor do when you broke it?
He was incredibly angry, just like I was yesterday morning.
Thank you for forgiving me for my very big mistake.
It is so wonderful to see everyone smiling and happy.
Yes, honesty always brings good neighbors closer together like this.
That quiet evening, our family sat in the living room.
Today we learned a truly important lesson about taking responsibility.
Being responsible always helps us solve our difficult daily problems.
I will definitely remember this important lesson forever and ever. Everyone makes mistakes, but a good person always says sorry.